In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can use Vite to create a simple React app. Once the app is running, I'll show you how to display it inside of a Truffle embed through the Truffle browser extension. First, create a new React project with Vite using npm create vite at latest. I'm going to call this project Truffle SDK demo, but you can give it whatever name you want. Make sure to select React and then TypeScript when prompted. This command creates a directory with the project name and contains sample code. Follow the instructions by going into the directory and running npm install. Then open the project in your IDE of choice and install the Truffle SDK by typing in npm install at trufflehq/SDK. You can now make sure the sample code runs by typing npm run dev and opening the localhost link in your browser. Now that we know the server is running, let's put it in an embed. First, open a new YouTube tab, click Inspect Element, and open the Truffle Developer tab. To add our embed, we will need to modify the embed config JSON, replace the localhost link with the link to the Vite dev server, and change the content page type to YouTube. Now we can click Add. After reloading the YouTube page, the embed should show up. Since that works, let's go into the app.tsx source code and delete the example code to start with a blank slate. When I save app.tsx, the embed in the YouTube page should update. This blank page can be the starting point for whatever project you want to build, and it's where we will start in later tutorials.